Hello and welcome to WordPress tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how you can convert your ordinary checkout page into a beautiful funnel or even customize your checkout fields and shipping information and all that. So this is very simple and we can use a free plugin called Funnel Kit Builder for this, and it will automatically change everything to from this ordinary looking checkout page to a beautiful funnel. So first of all, go to your admin dashboard and go to plugins, click on add plugin, and here search for funnel kit builder. Funnel kit builder for checkout. Install now. Activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you will see a new menu in your admin dashboard for funnel checkout. Let's see for WooCommerce. Here's funnel kit. Click on dashboard. Click on get started. Okay, it will also need some essential plugin: funnel kit automation, Stripe, funnel kit cart, and WooCommerce. WooCommerce is already there, so let's just install and activate. And it's good to have this funnel kit automation, Stripe, and funnel kit cart because they are free and available with this kit. Okay, now add your email and finish. Now click on setup checkout. Okay, in here you have to choose a template or you can start from a blank template. So these are the default available checkouts, and here is the funnel. So we can choose this one. This will have a couple of steps. Let's click on preview, and we have 3 steps for this. First one is this shipping information, next one is adding some products to it, and the final one is the delivery details or the verification. Okay, so we will choose this one, import this funnel. Let's name it my funnel, and steps added, checkout, and thank you. Okay, done. In these steps, this is the first step and this is the second step. So we can add more steps here. Click on add new step, and let's add, click upsell. Upsell is for premium, so we are good with these two only. Okay, actions, enabling store checkout. Okay, now let's come to your checkout and refresh, and we have this beautiful funnel right now. First of all, we will add our shipping information and place order, and it will redirect you if your shipping information is correct. Let's add the county, it's KP, phone number, the shipping method, everything else, and we have these products in the cart placeholder, and we will see the thank you page, which is also added by the funnel, this one. So this is how you can turn your old style checkout page into a beautiful funnel. You can also customize this template if you click on edit with Elementor. Then you can modify the logo. You can add your own store logo and add your own text. If you are using a blocks editor, then the funnel kit builder also provides that. Okay, let's change the logo from this to, let's say, you can upload a new image or you can add the previously added. As I am using a Woodmart theme, this is like this. Let's change the background color for this. And you can change this text. You can change this one. And this is the form, but if you click on edit, you can also change the headings like this: order details, subscription, and the download. Anything mentioned here, you can change it from here. Okay, now if you click on here on the customer details, you can change the title like more details instead of customer details, and it's in two columns. You can make it full width or two columns again. And here is the special offer, I want this, or contact support. So this is a custom text where you can add something cool here and add your URL to other products. Like if you want to upsell some products, for example, if someone is buying a product and you want them to buy another product which can be beneficial, including that current product, this will be also beneficial for the user. So you can add that product's URL and add the text regarding that, and then save it. When you publish it, all these things will be implemented on your checkout page. So this is how you can turn your boring or your ordinary checkout page into cool something like this. So please subscribe to my channel and like this video so you won't miss my future videos. Thank you.